What's up, YouTube? We're out here at the Mile High Heli Showdown. Great turnout. We're gonna be doing a drag race here pretty soon. I'm gonna be racing the 420, so fingers are crossed. That bird is actually super quick, so put your money on me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm gonna chat this guy up about this giant here in a little bit. He did a couple test flights back behind me, but he said that was just to dial it in. So I think he's got it all set up. So once he's ready to go, he's gonna fly right out over here on the main flight line, and I'm gonna get a pretty cool video. So I have the other helicopters down there. It's the Raw Kyle Stacy and the Blade 480 550 stretch. Mile High Heli Showdown.
Get a big ass pole in the way.
Say what's up, camera crew.
What's up?
Oh, the station's looking a little lackluster. There's the setup. 420 stretch going up first. What are we at? Ooh, we're almost there. Got the pepperonis. Lobster, yeah. The Great.
It's King Lobster.
King Lobster. So what setup do you have on this tank thing right here? What's going on here?
I'm just circulating the mix because I fresh mix the oil for the bearing lubricants in the 5-gallon jug, shake it up, and then I pour it in here. But this kind of just
cycles it out, circles it up.
You know, if anything's settled.
Yeah.
It's just.
Oh wow, that thing's pretty full. What's the tank size on this?
I got 2 1-liter tanks on each side. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 7.
Am I blocking
maybe
your photo?
10 minute.
No, you're fine.
You said 7-minute flight time?
7 to 10. I'm still kind of testing and.
the people that came with him came with him, and they were like, "We're flying." And they were like, "We're flying where?" "Just my house." Alright. That was pretty amazing. So, after a glorious day of flying, I had a mishap. Show these out real quick. Check it out. Let's see what's going on with RC Fanatics bird. So, I had a power outage, brownout, power cut, whatever you want to call it. And I crash landed inverted. What happened was, nothing broke, surprisingly, but walking through spider webs, here's the dilemma. This is the bracket to hold the landing gear. The bolt sheared off in the bracket to hold the landing skids. So I'm gonna have to get an easy out on there. It happened on both of them on the right side. So, then I got Kyle Stacy down there, but a little nervous to fly, so. This dude's tearing it up, the T-Rex, Nitro. Let's have a seat, just get some, where'd it go? Oh, he's going high. Was that an auto? Got attack position. 3, 2. Woo!
And that's a wrap for us.
We are out ya. Peace out, YouTube.